Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of the Paper Attic Cut File Shop where I am going to be using, and I stash dived a little bit into her cut files, and it's called Rainbow 2, and I will link it down below into her shop and all of that fun stuff. She has moved all of her cut files from her Etsy shop, which is now closed, into her other website, and I am pairing this up with Paw Your Way Into Our Hearts, where a bunch of us ladies collaborate together to use our photos of our puppies or animals of some sort, cats, whatever it is, and try to get them used. So what I decided to do is that I am finishing up, I've already posted the very last layout I did, but this was the second to the last layout. I got a little behind on my design team layouts due to just life in general. There was a little bit that stuff that has happened that took me away from my craft room a little bit. But now that I am all caught up and everything, this is the last caught up one I needed to be on, so that now going forward everything is like when it should be. But what I did is that I took this cut file and I wanted to use the middle of it and the negative side of it to do some blue etching, which is with faded jeans, the Distress Oxide faded jeans, and I'm placing that together on this one, and I'm done. And then I take some water, and I wanted to get that little bit of water display look, as you can see there. And then I came in with my white splatters. My paint stick is almost done. I'm trying to use up every last bit of it so then I can move on to, getting a new one out. And then I pull it off. Once I pull it off, you will see the negative side of this. Then I went in and distressed the positive part of it, or the negative, however you want to look at it, positive, negative side of the cut file. And I'm placing it in different spots so that, yes, you still can see the blue that I put down, but then these pieces have come in here. The hearts, I did not use the actual cut file itself because I wanted to leave them, because that's where like my titles and that kind of stuff is going to go on, and it would be hard to place titles if you would have like those pieces in there foamed up like I did these. Now I am taking these two photos. Here is at the winery that we went. It was like their fall festival type thing going on. And so they had all these little places for us to take photos and things from. So Kaylin and Asher took them there. And then these are, like I said, the last set of photos that I have for this trip. And this was one of the few photos that I had left. And I was like, ooh, this is perfect to pair this up, to knock out the one layout that I should have had up earlier in my channel or earlier in the month with Confessions, and then pair it with the one that needed to go up for today. So make sure that you go check out everything. Everything will be linked down below. I am uploading 2 to 3 times a week. I would love to have you if you are not part of my YouTube family. I do upload, like I said, about 2 to 3 times a week. And I do design teams and collaborations and all of the fun stuff. Virginia over at Confessions of the Paper Attic Cut File Shop, she is got the amazing cut files coming up for December. Obviously, we all know what's coming up towards the end of this month, and then we roll into December. And let me tell you, everything is red, green, and white. As I've stated before, you get to the point where you love it, and then you dislike it, and then you put it away for a very long time, and then you bring it back out, and that's kind of where I'm at right now. I'm excited to get going into them, but it is all reds, greens, and whites. But the cool thing is that Virginia has the amazing cut files. She is going to be releasing again 4 days worth of 5 cut files each, or 5 days. Yeah, 4 days worth. First 5 days, first 4 days. Anyway, it's 20 cut files. I have to look it up to exactly say what it is. But she is going to have a freebie, but it's only for that particular day. So you've got to go check that out. Make sure that you are part of her group and all of that down below. Also, make sure that you go save her website into your bookmarks, because I know for a fact she hasn't released it yet, but I have a feeling she will be doing an amazing Black Friday sale and things like that. So make sure you go check out everything, all of that fun stuff down below. And if you are coming from one of the ladies, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. So if you have not yet hit that subscribe button, I would love for you to do that. I am on my way to 4,000 subscribers, and I would just love you to be part of it. So make sure that you like and subscribe. Okay, now I am almost like this kit. I'm going to be honest with you. I've been using it for 2 months. I'm ready to do something else. So this trip is the last photos that I have for October of last year. And if I remember correctly, on one of my other layouts, I explained it as well, that I am going to go into my November photos of last year. Then that's got Thanksgiving, all of that kind of stuff. There is a few new things that I have on there, but I'm going to work with those up into, I think, probably 2 or 3 more layouts, but I've got a different collection because I'm done. I'm done with this collection. I love it. I'm glad that I still have more pieces of it so that I can use it next year, but I'm done with it. I want to use something new. So I've got some stuff coming from the scrap room, and then one of Mercy Tierra's kits as well. I'm going to use going into November for some of the things. And then obviously I got to start digging out my Christmas stuff, because I got to work with Virginia's cut files for Christmas. If you do December daily, or if you do like that type of stuff, or if you aren't a December daily person, or you don't celebrate Christmas, but you have like holiday stuff, she still has, or like winter stuff, she still has cut files that you can use that does not need to be like holiday themed. That is the lovely, beautiful way of how Virginia does her cut files, that you can use it not just because it's released in December, and because it's like Christmas themed, if you are not a person that does holiday type things. So as you could tell, I was doing up all of my little embellishments. I just love how this turns out. It's super cute. My title is called Family Time, and this was exactly family time. All of us was there, and we just, enjoy ourselves. Josh and I got to enjoy some new ciders. Every year they come out with some new ciders, and that is pretty much why we go up there. This year they planned it in November, and it just didn't follow, and so I'm kind of sad, because this is the first year in a long time we haven't gone up there. So, and I'm kind of sad about that, but there's always next year. But yeah, I'm just going through everything. Now I'm going to do the black splatters. That is it. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. Again, I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do collaborations, design teams, all of the fun stuff. Make sure that you like and subscribe. The still shots are coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.